Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Pro, quick fix step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Pro. Ensure you have all necessary tools ready, including a Phillips screwdriver and a ladder. First, choose the ideal location for your camera. Look for a spot with a good view of your property and access to a power source. Next, turn off the power at the circuit breaker for safety. Using a ladder, remove any existing fixture from the mounting area. Carefully detach the wires from the old fixture. Now, take the mounting bracket from the Ring Floodlight Cam and attach it to the wall. Use the provided screws to secure the bracket in place. Once the bracket is secured, connect the electrical wiring from your house to the camera. Match the colors of the wires, black to black, white to white, and ground to ground. Tightly secure each connection with wire nuts. Afterward, carefully tuck the wires back into the wall. Now, attach the Ring Floodlight Cam to the mounting bracket. Make sure it is securely fastened and level. Next, turn the power back on at the circuit breaker. Check that the floodlight cam powers on, indicating it is functioning correctly. Download the Ring app on your smartphone if you haven't already. Open the app and create an account or log in. Follow the prompts to set up a new device. Select Floodlight Cam from the list of available devices. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the camera to your Wi-Fi network. Position the camera to get the best coverage of your area. Finally, adjust the motion settings in the app according to your preference. Your Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Pro is now set up and ready to enhance your home security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.